He remained in a woman's stomach for 9 months as a child
Right.
and was feeding on menstrual blood. A'udhu billah, thumma a'udhu billah. And like human beings, came out from a dirty passage. This is word by word translation, by
Yes.
the way. Anyone who wants to challenge my translation, bring it on. This is word by word translation. These are the words of Mirza. Sheikh Saab is having the displeasure of reading, and me the displeasure of translating. Okay, he's talking about Isa alayhi salam and was captured and was pulled on the cross.
Sure.
This is not possibly ilzami jawab. This
No.
is not ilzami jawab, because according to Mirza himself, ilzami jawab is something others believe in. Ilzami jawab is something they have stated or they believe in. I do not know any Christian in the world or any verse in the Bible that states that Isa alayhi salam in the stomach of Mary was feeding on menstrual blood. Number one, I do not know of any Christian or any biblical verse that states that Jesus came out of a dirty passage. Okay.
Adnan Bhai, as in the Quran we have the various qiraat. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has another variant of the same bakwas. Look at this one. He says that बच्चों की तरह चिल्लाता हुआ शर्मगाह से पैदा हुआ. ये नाम भाई, you translate.
This is from his Malfuzat, and I'm quoting from Sat Bachan.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
He was born screaming and came out of a vagina.
Yeah.
Came out of a vagina. Okay, that's it. Okay.
And this is the language of a prophet.
And Brother Imtiaz, just imagine, this is the thing where he is refuting the Quran. Or Saleeb par khencha gaya. Just imagine that Quran is saying, Wama salabu. You cannot imagine what this person was. He was a really mentally sick person, what he was saying.